Hey guys, what's going on? When I'm not trucking around or YouTubing, I'm hanging out watching Life is Good on the beaches of the world. Come on.
Hello YouTube, how we doing today? This is Life is Good, here with Stronger by the Mile.
How you doing, guys?
Daniel McCarthy, you guys can find him on YouTube. He has a cool channel, go check him out. He's currently leased to Landstar. He bought this Freightliner through Long Mountain Lease, is that correct?
Correct, Long Mountain.
So now he is trading up for a left lane Rooster Cruiser, big 389 Peterbilt hood. So he's making a big step from Freightliner to a Peterbilt. So we're going to show you guys the Peterbilt. We'll talk to Daniel a little bit more about that process, and then we'll give you a link to his channel. You can go check out his channel. Because I think on your channel you went through the whole Long Mountain process with this Freightliner. So all you guys looking to do that, you can go, because he's done it, so go learn by his mistakes and how he did it. Because I've seen his channel, he goes through the process. And then he can also, his channel is working on the transition from this to the Peterbilt. And so it'll be interesting, lots of knowledge for the YouTube world to see what's involved and what took place and what led you to this decision.
Right. I'm definitely going to go over the numbers of what it costs to operate this truck monthly. I'm going to break it down to weekly, and then as I have time in the new truck, I'm also going to break down the numbers in that, so give you guys a really good comparison. And also I can, like Tim said, just show you the full process, break it down, how easy it was to do. I can definitely tell you what not to do too. I've got a few of those in there, but yeah, we'll definitely put a lot of good information out there for you.
Yeah, so don't forget guys, the link will be in the description box. Just click the link, go to his channel, like it, subscribe, watch his videos. It'll be very informative. Any of you guys that have this, that are here now, and you want to go to what we're going to be driving, because I tell you it's cheaper. You will find out it's a lot cheaper. Okay, so we'll cut it right there. We'll show you his new ride. Alright guys, as we promised, here is Daniel's new baby.
Yep.
She's a beauty, isn't it? Look at that.
2019.
That right there is what hard work and diligence and knowing your numbers will get you.
Yep.
So, 2019 389 Peterbilt out of a, what year was your Freightliner?
The Freightliner was 2013.
Out of a 2013 Freightliner into this monster. The world is about to change. So you guys go check out his channel, and it's going to be an awesome ride. I think you will really enjoy the content he puts out. Very educational, and you get to ride in this beast. Isn't that a beauty?
You are going to get to see some really good videos of driving. But yeah, you guys are actually getting the first reveal. I haven't even showed it on my channel yet, so you guys are going to get to see it first.
Yeah. So hopefully I'll have this up today, so you got to get on the ball and get some content put up there.
Yep.
Yep.
I got to get some videos up, and this is proof right here for all the people that say you can't make money at Landstar, because you can. You just got to work.
That's right. Landstar is the best of the best as far as being leased on anywhere.
Yeah.
That's what gets me. All these guys, oh, 65%. Well, versus 80% like Traveloka. We'll just go ahead and throw it out there.
Right.
I don't usually call things out, but 65% of $3 is a lot better than 85% of $2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. They can pay you 100% of something, but if the number at the end of the day is zero,
right,
you're not accomplishing anything.
Landstar has good quality freight, and they got, I mean, because look at this evidence, proof in the pudding right there. But anyway, guys, we'll cut it right there. We'll let Daniel talk about all that stuff on his channel. We're getting out of our idiotic rambling venture here, so
yeah.
Appreciate you guys tuning in. Like I said, check out the link and go check out Daniel's Stronger by the Mile YouTube channel.
All right, guys, be good.
Thanks for watching.
All right, before you go, don't forget to tap the like button, share it, subscribe to it, tap the little bell. That way you get yourself a notification when the new videos come out. You don't want to miss this stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Take it from me, the road man.